Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make homemade popsicles. First, gather your essential tools, including popsicle molds, sticks, and a blender. Next, select fresh, ripe fruits for the best natural sweetness and flavor. You might also consider adding natural sweeteners like honey or maple syrup to enhance the taste. Ensure all your ingredients are clean and ready for preparation before you begin blending. This initial setup makes the entire process smooth and enjoyable. Now it's time to create your delicious popsicle base. Combine your chosen fruits with a liquid base, such as fruit juice, coconut water, or plain water in your blender. Blend until the mixture is smooth, or if you prefer, leave some small fruit chunks for added texture. Taste the mixture and adjust the sweetness or tartness to your liking. Once perfected, carefully pour the blended liquid into your popsicle molds, filling them to about 1/4 inch from the top. The freezing process is crucial for perfect popsicles. After about 30 minutes in the freezer, when the mixture has slightly firmed, insert your popsicle sticks into the molds. This helps them stand upright. Freeze the popsicles for at least 4 to 6 hours, or until they are completely solid. Make sure your freezer temperature is set to 0 degrees Fahrenheit for optimal freezing. Avoid overfilling the molds to prevent any spillage, as the liquid expands slightly when frozen. Once your popsicles are fully frozen, it's time to enjoy them. To easily release them from the molds, run warm water over the outside of each mold for about 10 to 15 seconds. Gently pull the stick, and your delicious treat should slide right out. Store any remaining popsicles in an airtight container in the freezer for up to 2 weeks. Don't be afraid to experiment with different fruit combinations and flavorings to discover new favorites. Enjoy your refreshing, homemade creations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.